Our system is basically divided into two views. The prox view, which visualizes the prox data, as well as the HVAC view, which helps you understand the building elements. To approach question 1, we build up the prox view to help you visualize the path of people from different departments during the 2 weeks. The control panel can select whatever data you want, as well as the department you want to analyze. The table here shows the information of employees from this department. The line chart shows the prox distribution on a specific day. The route map of the 3 floors plots employees' path, and the heat map below indicates that which area has the maximum number of employees at this moment. Hover over one path, you will see the employee's name right away. The chord map shows how many people are moving from one zone to another with actual scale. This route line map is super useful in analyzing the general flow, as well as how a typical day looks like for gas tech employees. The y-axis, 2-5 for instance, means second floor zone 5, and the x-axis shows the time period. For example, if you want to analyze the typical day for those from administration department, you can simply click on the administration button here on the control panel, and from the route line map, you will tell their working hours from these vertical lines, which link the points from the higher floors to the ground floor. You can also hover over one line to get the detailed information of one employee. You can also visualize the robot's path from the Prox Mobile page. The Prox Mobile data shows that the robot's route is nearly fixed and only active during 9 to 10 a.m. and 2 to 3 p.m. on weekdays. Morning's route and afternoons should be the same. Replay the video using the progress bar. We can see that at 2 p.m., people only appear in conference room and the meeting room. Hover over the dots, we can find that those detected are from the technical department, while the outsiders are not. To solve question 2, we first analyze the HVAC data and put them into 5 different groups, which have the same functionality. If click on Building Power, you can get a general view of the power distribution during the 2 weeks. You can change it into Stack View, as well as Data View. You can also disable the legend here to help yourself filter out insignificant sensors. To better visualize the details, you can drag the selection button here to zoom in the data period, and hover your mouse over to get detailed data. It is very convenient to get interesting patterns through this view. As the chart shows, the HVAC electric demand power is proportional to total electric demand power. After getting the general idea, you can now switch to the Building Customize page to plot the chart as you wish. You can also put sensors from different groups into the same view to help you better understand the underlying relationship between several HVAC fields, even across the floors. This view helps us to get notable anomalies as well as unusual events from HVAC data. So after observing the anomaly in June the 7th and 8th, you can directly go to this page and select the sensors according to your assumption. You can also click the Normalize button, especially when the sensors are from different groups and differ a lot. As the figure shows, the heating set point in Floor 2, Zone 3 became higher right after the supply inlet temperature reached a peak of 40 degrees. Then the heating set point became higher than usual. The reheat damper position stayed partially closed instead of switching on and off, which is the usual pattern. To solve question 4, we add the prox data into Building Customize so that you can plot building data together with the proximity data. We choose the deli located on floor 1 as an example. We assume carbon dioxide concentration is supposed to be related with the population. Plot the chart. As you can see here, the peak almost meet with each other. Moreover, if an unusual event happened, we can also go directly into the prox-out route view to see who was in the building at that time. This is the end of our demonstration.